Are you tired of choosing between eating healthy and getting things done? Let me ask you. Have you skipped breakfast just to make a meeting? Or ordered fast food again because there's just no time to cook? If so, you're not alone. In 2024, over 60% of busy adults said they rely on convenience foods multiple times a week, and it's draining their energy, focus, and long-term health. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 powerful, time-saving eating habits that busy people like you can use to stay energized, productive, and healthy, without spending hours in the kitchen. When life gets hectic, food becomes reactive instead of intentional. Skipping meals or grabbing sugar-loaded snacks may feel efficient, but the real cost shows up later: fatigue, poor focus, weight gain, and chronic stress. Let's flip the script. Here are 5 realistic habits you can start this week. You don't need to prep 21 meals in glass containers. Just a basic framework will change your week. Think of it as setting your future self up for success. 3-step meal prep plan. Cook in bulk: brown rice, chicken, tofu, hard-boiled eggs, roasted veggies. Store smart: use portion glass containers or reusable silicone bags. Assemble: don't cook, mix and match prepped ingredients each day. Quick tips. Frozen veggies save chopping time. Batch cook proteins in an air fryer. Use slow cookers or instant pots to multitask. Prep once, and you've won 5 meals in advance. Snacking isn't the enemy. The problem is reaching for the wrong thing when you're stressed or low on energy. Top 5 smart snacks, under 200 calories. Greek yogurt plus honey plus berries. Handful of almonds plus a square of 70% dark chocolate. Apple slices plus peanut butter. Rice cake plus cottage cheese plus tomato. Hummus plus carrot sticks. Busy day tip. Pre-pack your snacks like you pack your phone charger, because both fuel your day. Strategic snacking helps you avoid the 4 p.m. crash and curb those late-night cravings. Skipping breakfast might save 10 minutes now, but it costs you hours in lost focus. As per the CDC, 2024, breakfast eaters have more stable blood sugar and 15% better memory function. Easy 10-minute breakfasts. Overnight oats with chia seeds and fruit. Smoothie: spinach, banana, protein powder, almond milk. Whole grain toast plus avocado plus boiled egg. Scrambled tofu wrap with veggies. Keep it simple. Think fuel, not fancy. Here's something wild: even 1% dehydration can affect mood, concentration, and memory. And yet, most people forget to drink enough. Hydration hacks for busy people. Start your day with a full glass of water. Carry a 750 ml reusable bottle. Set hydration alarms every 2 hours. Add flavor: cucumber, lemon, or berries. Try apps like Waterminder or Plant Nanny, they remind you and make it fun. Hydration is your cheapest health boost. When you're busy, it's easy to eat what's in front of you, and restaurant portions are 2 to 3 times what we need. The plate rule. 1/2 equals non-starchy veggies: spinach, broccoli. 1/4 equals lean protein: chicken, beans. 1/4 equals complex carbs: quinoa, brown rice. Simple tools. Use smaller plates at home. Don't eat out of containers. Pause halfway through your meal and reassess hunger. Awareness equals control. And control equals results. Mindful eating isn't meditation, it's paying attention. Quick practices. Put away screens during meals. Chew 20 times per bite. Eat sitting down, not standing or driving. Slower eating activates satiety hormones, so you naturally eat less without counting calories. Let's recap the 5 game-changing habits for busy lives. First one: prep meals once, eat all week. Second is snack smart, not mindlessly. Third one is power up with a 10-minute breakfast. Fourth is hydrate on autopilot, and final point is control portions with the plate rule. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be consistent. Start with just one habit today. Then build. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and share it with a friend who's always too busy to eat well. And hey, subscribe for more practical health tips every week. Your health doesn't need more time, it needs intention. Start today.